Subscribe at the start because today on Next Gen Motors we are bringing you an exciting and detailed look at the brand new 2026 Nissan Navara pickup truck, a model that continues to evolve with tougher design language, improved performance, and smarter technology. This video is made for viewers who want real insights into sports capability, daily comfort, off-road strength, and all the specs and features that make the latest Navara stand out in the highly competitive pickup segment. The 2026 Navara comes forward with a bolder front fascia, muscular body lines, and an upgraded chassis that enhances both stability and durability, giving drivers confidence on highways and rugged terrains. Nissan has focused on delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency, and the new powertrain options reflect this commitment with refined engines, smoother gear shifts, and better fuel management for long-distance users and commercial owners. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Navara is built with modern comfort in mind, offering a spacious interior, improved seating support, and high-quality materials that create a premium feel even in a tough utility vehicle. The updated infotainment system includes a larger touchscreen, smarter connectivity, faster response, and advanced driver assist features that elevate the driving experience and safety levels. Whether it is lane support, collision alerts, or improved camera views, the Navara now provides tech normally seen in more expensive trucks. Off-road lovers will appreciate enhanced suspension tuning, stronger underbody protection, and selectable driving modes designed specifically to tackle mud, sand, and steep trails without compromising comfort. The 2026 Navara also improves towing and payload performance, making it a reliable partner for heavy work, family usage, sports adventures, or long road journeys. Noise insulation has been upgraded to reduce cabin disturbance, and steering feedback has been refined to deliver more control, especially when carrying loads. Nissan's focus on versatility ensures this model can perform as both a lifestyle vehicle and a hardworking machine, offering durability, smart engineering, and a design that appeals to modern pickup buyers. In this video, Next Gen Motors covers every aspect that matters to truck enthusiasts and those planning to upgrade in the coming year. Make sure you stay till the end because we will also talk about the price expectations, market positioning, and why the 2026 Navara stands out among its rivals. Your support means everything, so do not forget to like, share, and comment to let us know what you think about this new model. Subscribe at the end as well because Next Gen Motors will continue bringing detailed and honest automotive reviews that help you choose the right vehicle for your needs.